Alright, so in this video we are going to discuss for loop in details. If I want to show its flowchart, so it will be something like this. So this is the condition box. So if we have the range of condition, so condition here is basically a range. So if we are in the range and that is true, so what will happen? It will do the task which we have given. Suppose some operation is given to perform, and after that we want to print something, and after that what it does, it increase the variable by 1. Suppose we have n is equal to 0 here. So what it does, it do n plus plus, so it n become 1 after executing this, and again it will go back to the condition, and it again will check the range, and if it is true it will keep on repeating itself. But if condition is false, if if it is out of range, so it will come out of the loop and will execute the next line. Okay, so I'll show you the syntax for this. So it has a syntax for, and say I is one variable, in and range. So in range, suppose I have given 5. So what does that mean? So that means it has a range from 0 to 4. That means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and each time it will start from 0. So I will contain 0, and it will go through the loop, and it will see, and then here it will increase the I, so it will become 1 now. So in next round I will become 1. So here put a semicolon also here, and suppose we have given condition print I, so with the indentation, as you can notice here. So what it does, first it will take 0 and print 0. In next round I will become 1, so it will print 1, 2, 3, and till 4. When the I will become 5, so 5 is out of this range, so the condition will become false and it will come out of the loop. Okay, so it has another way of working with. So suppose I have a list of item, so item is equal to, I keep the item in the list. I will tell you in subsequent video what is list, but for now you understand it has some strings. So rice, comma, fruit, comma, vegetables, comma, grain. So these things are in the list. So how will we apply the loop? So for, and say variable, this time I'm selecting x. After that, as per the syntax, I'll write in, and instead of range I will write item now, and then semicolon. So now what will happen? So in item we have these many things. Okay, so first rice will come in variable x, then after that it will increment this, the item will get incremented, then a pointer will come on fruit, so next fruit will come, and then vegetable, like that it will go. So here if I want to print x, so what will happen? So initially in item rice will come, and it's in the range, so it will execute the thing and will print the rice, and then here the pointer will get increased by 1, and now item will have fruit. So next time fruit is also in the range, now it will print fruit, and then like this it will keep on iterating. And because of the condition, we are coming out of the loop easily, as we are providing the condition when we want to come out of the loop. So that's why this loop is called finite loop. Okay, so we set such conditions so that maybe after 5 iteration or 6 iteration we come out of the loop. So that way it is easier. Okay, so to understand it better, we'll see it on the terminal. I quickly write the program. So this line I'm going to write out of the body of this for loop. Okay, let's save it and run it. So I saved it with for1.py. So that's how it is coming, what we discussed. So the 5 time it ran inside and print from 0 to 4, and after that it came out and printed it this statement. So for next example, I'm modifying it here. Okay, and here in place of range item will come. The it is selecting each item. At the first loop it will select rice and it will go to I. Okay, so if we will print I, then only it will show us one by one the content of the list. If we print item, it will show us all the content of list at once. Okay, so save it and run it. So we have saved it with python 1.py. Okay, so it is coming rice, fruit, veg, grain. So this is fine. That's what we have claimed, and it is coming the same. All right. So there are many ways of using it. So as per the need, we tweak this and use it in our purpose. So in the description, I have added few working examples, so you can check it out. And a few other helps are also there. So it's better you just go through the description once. So that's it. Thank you.